Hi, you've reached Maya at the Broadcasting Standards Authority. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
At the tone, record your message.
Yes, good morning. I'm calling in regards to a final decision which I received on my birthday on the 6th of July. Decision number 2022 forward oblique 002 in regards to Keen versus TV NZ. I've been supplied everything there in regards to the final decision. However, in the appendix, it lists 1 through to 8. I have 1 through to 7, and I require immediately for the BSA to provide me with the Appendix 8, TVNZ providing timeline and evidence of contact with Universal Imports, 20 May 2022. I will be filing an appeal. As you're aware, I have 30 days or 1 month to do that, and I need that immediately. I would have thought that I would have been supplied that at the time that you received it, somewhat 2-3 weeks before the actual sitting of the board. If you could please supply that, I will put it through in writing as well. Thank you.
Hi, you've reached Maya at the Broadcasting Standards Authority. Please leave a message.
Okay, so we have a free phone number of 0800 366 996, or we have another telephone number, if my cat didn't want to keep knocking it out of my view, of 04382 9508. So we'll try those numbers.
Thank you for calling the Broadcasting Standards Authority. Please leave your name, number and a brief message. We will aim to get back to you as soon as possible between 8 AM and 4:30 PM weekdays.
Oh well, that's the 0800 number, so it looks like it's messaging or answering machines all the way around. Perhaps that's the way of how they combat getting recorded now. They just don't take phone calls, which kind of defeats the purpose of them even having a phone fucking number, really, doesn't it? Leave a message, but excuse my lack of trust to think that they would get back to me. And we'll try that.
Thank you for calling the Broadcasting Standards Authority. Please leave your name, number and a brief message. We will aim to get back to you as soon as possible between 8 AM and 4:30 PM weekdays. Alternatively, see our website bsagovt.nz for information on the complaints process, or email info@bsagovt.nz.
Yes, good morning. My name is Mark Keane. I'm calling in regards to a decision made by the BSA that I received on the 6th of July, a few days ago. The decision number is 2022/022. It's Keane versus TVNZ. The reason I'm calling is, of course, I'm going to be appealing this in High Court, and I have everything listed in the appendixes of that decision other than number 8, which is TVNZ's supplying a timeline and evidence of the contact between them and Universal Imports. I require that information, obviously, to file it for a complete appeal. and I'm curious as to why that was not supplied to me just as everything else should have been. Please get back to me on 02. I did try my case manager's phone number here, 0215744413, which worked the last time I spoke to her, and also her direct dial number, but it appears Maya now has that number, so I'm not sure if it's some kind of avoiding tactic. I am aware that Glenn Scanlon, who's no longer with you, chose to inform all of the staff not to talk to me direct on the phone for fear of accountability. He also alleged that I was he alleged that I was an agency in New Zealand and gave me a rather misleading definition of what an agency is by referring me to the incorrect parts of the Privacy Act 2020. So I'll be dealing with that, and also for the fact that the BSA board has gone ahead and defamed me in the decision which they made public on the 7th of July by suggesting that I was not acting in good faith. So there will be some repercussions in that too, perhaps in the court case. Either way, I require number 8 of the appendix, which has not been supplied to me. I require this to file a full and complete appeal with the High Court. I do have legal assistance helping me out on that one. So yeah, this phone call was recorded and of course will be published like every other dealing I have with any government agency or public servant. So yeah, thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. Bye now.